Secret study methods of toppers. Secret number 1. Write first time. Learn the new topic from the most reliable guru for the first time, whoever or whatever it may be. This will give you complete clarity. Secret number 2. Stick to your notes. Stick to your own notes which you have created for yourself from the start of the year. So, sit with your colored pens and notebooks right from the start of the year and make notes. Revise them multiple times. Keep adding little twist to it if you wish to. Secret number 3. A sight before good night. Toppers know that spaced revision is the key to good memorization. So, at night, just before going to sleep, keep a habit of opening your notes and just go through it just for 10 minutes. Your subconscious brain will do all the hard work at night while you sleep. Secret number 4. Close your book. This secret tip will surprise you the most. If you read a topic and close the book and try to think about it, this is where the brain tries to interlink various other thoughts to make a concrete understanding. Get more information on TEL Gurus. Meet your divine masters.